In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create amazing text animations in Figma. By the end, you'll have smooth, eye-catching motion on your text that's perfect for presentations, prototypes, and social posts. Start by heading into Figma and opening the file where you want your animation to live. You can work on any canvas or frame you already have. It helps to keep things tidy by placing your text on its own frame, but use whatever setup you're comfortable with. Next, select the Text tool. You can click the text icon in the toolbar or simply press T on your keyboard. Click anywhere on the canvas to create a text layer. Type your message, then style it the way you want. Pick a bold, legible font, set the size and weight, and adjust line height and letter spacing for readability. Keep the text editable. Avoid converting it to outlines, since the animation will rely on live text to animate characters or words. Now open the Plugins menu in Figma. You can access it from the top bar or by right-clicking anywhere on the canvas. From there, choose Animate Text to launch the plugin. Once it opens, you'll see your selected text layer recognized by the plugin, so make sure your text is selected before proceeding. Inside Animate Text, choose an animation style. Common picks include typewriter reveals, fades, slides, and bounces. Start with a simple reveal to get a feel for it, then explore more expressive options. Most styles allow you to target characters, words, or lines. Per character animation is great for a lively, kinetic feel. Per word or per line creates a cleaner, more minimal effect. You can also fine-tune the motion with duration, delay, and staggering. Shorter durations feel snappier. Longer ones feel more cinematic. Easing matters too. Ease out for gentle landings. Ease in for snappy starts, and ease in-out for balanced motion. To preview the effect, click play in the plugin. Watch how the text enters and settles. If it feels too fast, increase the duration or reduce the stagger. If it feels too busy, switch from characters to words, or tone down, bounce, and overshoot. Try your preview on different background colors to make sure contrast holds up and the motion remains clear. That's it. You went to Figma, added your text, opened the Plugins menu, launched Animate Text, picked a style, and previewed it with play. Save your file, keep your text layers organized, and iterate until the timing matches your brand's tone. With a few thoughtful tweaks, you'll have text animations that look polished and professional every time.